if you didn't watch the first video, here actually we won't be explaining much. We'll be just naming the structures. So if you want to understand more, make sure that you watch the first video whereby we were actually showing you how to name the structures. So we know that haloalkanes is a combination of alkanes and halogen. Cl becomes chloro, bromine becomes bromo, iodine becomes iodo, fluorine becomes fluoro. It's very important for you guys to know that for us to see that a structure is a haloalkane, we must see a halogen attached on the carbon atoms of the structure. That's very, very important. And that the halogen now becomes the prefix before the branches. It's very, very important. It's like they are actually treated as branches, but being halogens. I don't know if you guys understand that, meaning that before the halogen, you actually write, before the branch, the first thing that you will write as a prefix of a structure is the halogen followed by the branch. I don't know if you guys understand that. If you watch the first video, you'll understand what I'm saying here. So if you didn't, make sure that you actually help yourself to go and watch that first video whereby we uploaded it recently, which is organic chemistry part 1 here on YouTube. So if you didn't watch it, make sure that you pause this one, then you go to that one. So here I won't explain much. I'll just give you the names of these structures you see on your screen. So it's very important to consider those 3 rules that we mentioned in the first part of organic chemistry here in our YouTube channel. So it's very, very important for you to know them. If you didn't, please go there and watch them. So the name of this one is 3.4 dibromo, 2.2 dimethyl pentane. This is the IUPAC name of this structure. The second structure, as I'm saying that I won't be explaining what is it that you must do here, but if you watch the first video, you will understand this. And if you listen to me when I say that the halogen becomes the prefix of the branches, or it starts with the halogen followed by the branch, then after that the IUPAC name. 2.5 dichloro. Why dichloro? Is because we're having 2 chlorine atoms in our structures, but in different locations of the carbon chains or carbon atoms. Then this one consider the longest chain, functional group, and the branch. So that's very important. As I'm saying that, make sure that you go on our first part of organic chemistry, you watch the rules. It's very, very important. So here the longest chain, we are having it as you watched it on the first part. So the name of this is 5-bromo 2.3 dimethyl hexane. So this one, make sure that you actually write, I won't tell you the answer or the name of this structure, so please make sure that you write it and leave your answer on the comment section.